CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app video demo for Daddy Dino Rocks. This matching game requires logic to solve the 150 levels of gameplay, includes the ability to create your own levels, and there's a hammer power-up in case you get stuck. Getting into the gameplay, those are the 10 different game areas. You have to unlock a level to get to the next one and unlock the next area. 15 levels each. Now here is a level in the first game area. I'm using my finger to slide the gem, but this is more than a matching gem game. It's a puzzle game where you have to match all of the gems together. So if there's 3, you can match 2, but you got to match all 3 and figure out how to do that. Now this level I don't do correctly, and thank goodness there's a refresh button in the top right. Now where the shopping basket is, you can use a hammer there to get rid of the last stone, but you only get 3 to start, and I've already used mine. Now let me show you how to do that level correctly. You can see I'm moving the red gem. I'm just using my finger to slide them. You'll have an up and down movement. You'll only have one up and down or vertical. Now what do? Well, you slide the other 2 stones at the same time or as fast as possible, and once the middle stone connects to them, they all disappear. Now again, there are a variety of puzzles. I only played through the first puzzle pack, which has 15 levels. Each puzzle pack has 15 levels. And there's a level generator where you can create an additional 15 levels and share those as well. So you can see you have to use some of your logic to figure out that puzzle. It was a little tricky, especially with the moving piece. Now we'll go into even a more challenging level, and you'll find you'll play many of these levels over and over before you finally get them right. Specifically this, because when you have a lot of gems like this, you gotta match them in the correct order to figure out how it's gonna end up. Because again, if you make one wrong move, you're gonna have one gem kind of stuck out there away from the others, and you're not gonna be able to complete the game properly, and that's why you'll use a hammer, again, reflected by the shopping cart. If you use your 3, you can purchase more. So there's your cue for creating your own levels, and here's the level generator. On the bottom left, you can see all of your tools, blocks, horizontal and vertical moving blocks, and then you also have your colored stones. The X will help you to zone in or delete one block at a time. You can also refresh and get rid of them all. You can email, you can switch the sides using the paw on the right under the envelope. So if you're right-handed or left-handed, you can switch the user interface, and you can notice the other buttons there to play the level, which I'm going to do now, and also go back to the menu. Now, I didn't create this correctly, and I did it on purpose so I could show you the editor. Once you figure out that you didn't make it right, tap on the tools there, takes you back to the level, and then in here you can go ahead and correct your mistake, and you can retry it to play it, because it should be logical and work or be solvable without having to use a hammer. Now you can also email this to the developer, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Solve the puzzle. Now here, tap on the email icon in the top right, and I can email this to Sun Gift Games. They may include it. Now this app is also available on the Android platform in Google Play, Amazon, and the Nook App Store. Until next time, see ya.